Are you a person who hates ironing? Want to reduce the wrinkles in your clothes coming straight out of the dryer? Check out my review of these Flyer dryer balls by Nellie's coming up next on Mumbles. Welcome back everyone to another episode of Mumbles. On today's Mumbles review, I'm reviewing this. Now this, my friends, is the Nellie Flyerball dryer balls. These are wool dryer balls, and basically they're shaped like a little sheep. They're very, very cute, guys. And basically they cost around $24. They come in a bag that looks like this. Let me show you the bag. Here's the bag. And they come with 3 to a set. So for the price of $24, you get 3 in this bag. Now, guys, I've reviewed dryer balls before by Nellie's, and I want to show you the difference between these and normal dryer balls. Here's a normal dryer ball, guys. As you can see, it's just circular. It's nice and wool. It still works good, but this design can be improved on. That's where this comes in, guys. This dryer ball is called the Flyer dryer ball for a reason. Because of these little arms and legs that it has here that are sewn together so cutely, this actually will make it so that it doesn't get caught in your clothing and actually reduces wrinkles and smooths your clothes out a lot better than a normal dryer ball. Now, I'm going to read you the description from the website itself, but I do want you to keep that in mind. So with that all in mind, guys, I'm going to read you the directions on how to use these Flyer dryer balls right now. Place 3 Flyer balls in dryer with fabrics. Nellie's Flyer ball shorten drying time, soften fabrics, and reduce wrinkles without the use of nasty chemicals. Separate natural fabrics from synthesis to help reduce static. These is made with New Zealand wool, and the wings on the actual little sheep here help to prevent tangling in clothing and reduce wrinkles. Guys, I reviewed these before, and I love these, and I gave them a great score. I'm actually going to downgrade these in this review. They're only going to get a 4 out of 5 because these guys are 5 out of 5 products. And I'll tell you why. I have seen firsthand that this actually does work and does what they say. But the biggest thing for me was the fact that these don't get tangled in clothes. These little feet and arms actually, and the little head, help them to actually untangle themselves from clothes. With these, finding them could be an absolute chore. Yes, I know, oh, Mumbles, it took 5 more minutes. But guys, you got to understand, when you're doing bedding and you're doing a lot of different loads and stuff like that, the last thing you want to do is have to spend 5 minutes per load looking for a dryer ball like this. You want it to come out in the dryer so that you're not looking everywhere for it. This does exactly that. And I have noticed that it improves the drying time, doesn't take as long to dry things. The sheets feel and smell great, and they don't come out as wrinkled as they do with this. This is still, guys, a 4 out of 5 product in my opinion because it does all those things, but this does them better. I love this little sheep. It's cute. It comes with a little bag. It has a 2-year warranty on it, so if they wear out within 2 years, you can get new ones for free or whatever. And I can't say enough good things about it. 5 out of 5 on a Mumbles review. These cute little sheeps are exactly what you need to help reduce your need to iron clothes, sheets, whatever it is that you usually iron. Get some dryer balls. Do yourself a favor. It'll save you time in the long run. Anyways, guys, this has been my review of Nellie's Flyer balls. I hope you guys all enjoy it. Please smack that subscribe button, smack that like button, and smack all those buttons. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.